Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog steps that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Topmart high-density foam dog steps. These corduroy-covered soft foam stairs have longer and wider steps that allow pets to climb up gradually. Because they're gently sloping, they almost function like a ramp. The corners on each step are also rounded to avoid injuries if a pet bumps into them or slides. The machine-washable textured fabric gives dogs additional non-slip support when they go up and down the stairs. The stairs come in 2, 3, or 4 tiers and there's an anti-skid bottom. The foam takes a day or two to fully open up and decompress. Because it's somewhat spongy, it can only support dogs up to about 50 pounds. Moving on at number 4, we have the Petmarker folding plastic pet stairs. When pets are learning to climb stairs, having raised side rails offers some security. These foldable stairs also have felt pads on each step for traction. Because they're attached by adhesive, they aren't removable for cleaning. The steps have a short rise of only 4 inches, which makes them easy to scale for small or short-legged pups. But the steps are relatively narrow, so larger dogs might balk at using them. The stairs come in tan and gray with paw print designs on the side. Foam pads on the bottom also help with security. They fold up to fit in a closet, under the bed, or in a trunk. At number 3, we have the Precious Tales 4-step high-density Sherpa foam pet stairs. With only a 4-inch rise, these steps are ideal for small dogs, particularly those with short legs. The fabric cover can be removed and machine washed and comes in several neutral colors. It has soft Sherpa fleece on the top and microsuede on the sides. The high-density foam is dense enough to offer support but soft enough to cushion joints. The stairs, however, are meant for dogs only as heavy as about 25 to 30 pounds. It's lightweight, so it's easy to move around, and has a non-slip bottom. At number 2, we have the Best Pet Supplies foldable foam pet steps. The sturdy foam in these steps is mattress grade, which means it eases pressure on your pet's joints. It's also made in the US and is free of mercury, lead, and other potentially harmful chemicals. It's lightweight and easy to move around, and it folds up to a large block. The folded product still takes up a significant amount of room, but might fit under the bed. The stairs are covered in a removable, machine-washable linen cover that is available in several different colors. There's a skid-resistant bottom to offer more stability. You can purchase them as 2, 3, and 4 steps. And finally at number 1, we have the ZINUS foam 13-inch 2-step pet stairs. Made of high-density foam, these simple steps are lightweight and easy to move around wherever you need them. The cover is soft and can be removed to machine wash. The soft fabric and the cushiony foam give senior and achy dogs a gentle landing when going up and down. The steps are very easy to assemble. It's like slipping a pillowcase over the stairs and zipping it up. This extra small version has 2 steps, but there are others with 3 to 4 risers. The steps are only made to support dogs up to 60 pounds and the whole stairs are only 13 inches tall. That might be okay for helping your pup onto the couch, but could be too short to reach the bed. Each step is 6.5 inches high. There's rough material on the bottom to keep the whole thing from slipping. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.